MoCRA, which stands for the Modernization of Cosmetics Regulation Act of 2022, is a highly anticipated reform of the U.S. cosmetics regulation. It represents a substantial expansion of the FDA's authority to regulate cosmetics, with the primary goal of enhancing the safety of cosmetic products that consumers use on a daily basis. In this video, we will address frequently asked questions regarding MoCRA and discuss its impact on the cosmetics industry. Under MoCRA, a responsible person, or RP, is defined as the manufacturer, packer, or distributor of a cosmetic product whose name appears on the product label. In accordance with Section 609A of the FD&C Act, or Section 4A of the Fair Packaging and Labeling Act. The RP has various responsibilities, including product listing, adverse event reporting, safety substantiation, disclosure of fragrance allergens, fragrance record access, labeling, contact information on the label, and record keeping. Product listing is applicable to all products introduced into the U.S. market by both U.S. and foreign brands. The responsible person is responsible for submitting the product listing. The product listing process will be carried out using the FDA online submission portal. The following information must be included in the product listing: facility registration number, name and contact number of the responsible person, name of the product, cosmetic category of the product, list of ingredients including allergens and colors, and the product listing number, which will be assigned within 120 days of interstate commerce. Mandatory product listings must be completed by December 29th, 2023. These listings must be updated annually. New products must be registered within 120 days of their introduction into interstate commerce. The mandatory facility registration affects all existing facilities, both domestic and foreign. Foreign facilities require a U.S. agent who will handle the facility registration. It is important to note that a physical address in the U.S. must be provided, and P.O. boxes are not accepted. The term facility includes any establishment, including importers, involved in the manufacturing or processing of cosmetic products distributed in the United States. Certain establishments, such as beauty shops, salons, retailers, pharmacies, hospitals, hotels, and others like this, are excluded from this term. It does not affect facilities that solely label or relabel, package or repackage, or hold or distribute products. The following information must be included: facility's name, physical address, email address, and telephone number, contact information of the USA agent for foreign entities, facility registration number, if previously assigned, all brand names produced at the facility, as well as the product category. Mandatory facility registration must be completed by December 29th, 2023. Registrations must be renewed every 2 years. Following the deadline, new businesses will have 60 days after beginning manufacturing to register with the FDA. MoCRA exempts certain small businesses from GMP, facility registration and product listing. Small businesses are defined as businesses with average gross annual sales in the USA for the previous 3-year period of less than $1 million, which is adjusted for inflation. However, this exemption does not apply to facilities producing products that come into contact with the mucous membrane of the eyes, are injected, such as tattoos, are intended for internal use, an example of this could be mouthwash, or alter appearance for more than 24 hours under the usual conditions of use. Exemptions also apply to certain facilities that are subject to requirements for devices and drugs. Product labels must include a U.S. address, a U.S. phone number or electronic contact information, which is required as a means to contact the responsible person, or RP, in case of any adverse events. Fragrance allergens, if present in the cosmetic product, the FDA will determine which substances are considered allergens. Labels for professional use products must comply with the labeling requirements for cosmetic products and must include a statement indicating that the product should be used only by professionals. The labeling for professional use products must be updated by the end of 2023. The responsible contact information and fragrance allergens must be listed on the product labels by the end of 2024. We hope this video has addressed your questions about MoCRA and its impact on both consumers and the cosmetic industry. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.